Hey guys, Lex over here, and I'm standing in Fort Pierce, Florida in front of one of my rental properties. Tenant just moved out, and I'm gonna decide what I need to do with this. I'm either gonna clean it up and rent it out again, or I'm gonna fix it up real nice and put it on the MLS. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, so here we are inside the house. And so this is it's a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom house, and it was previously rented. If I cleaned this up and re-rented it out, I could probably get as much as $1,600, $1,700 a month. Or another alternative is I could fix it up real nice, put about $25,000 to $30,000 into it, and then I could put it on the MLS and sell it for probably around $230,000 to $240,000. And considering that I bought this house for just $32,000, that's a pretty good deal. Okay, so this is the kitchen, and as you can see, it's pretty outdated, right? So cabinets are a little faded. The countertop is Formica. Appliances look like they need a little bit of help. And if we were gonna make this ready for rent, the goal would be just to clean it up. Now, I think you can tell by looking at this house that this is a lower income neighborhood, so this is not a type of house you really wanna fix up super nice if you're gonna make a rental out of it. But some of the stuff that you could do here is you could resurface the cabinets, and you could consider definitely keeping the tile floor and getting some new appliances in, and maybe putting in a new sink, and that will probably take care of the kitchen. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bathroom. Okay, so the previous tenant that lived in this place was here for around 6 years or so, right? So it's got a lot of deferred maintenance. For example, this tub over here behind me probably needs to be reglazed, and might consider switching out the vanity and even the toilet, right? But as far as a regular rental is concerned, just clean up, right? If we took this house and we kept the existing tile floor, we painted it, and we resurfaced this tub, we could probably make it look pretty decent for a rental. So the dilemma with this house is like this. I bought this for $32,000, right? It's probably worth all in fixed up on the MLS, maybe $240,000. The question is, do I fix it up and spend around $10,000 or so to make it rent ready, and just clean it up? I got to do some repair to the fence on the outside and paint the interior and fix up the kitchen and bathroom a little bit, just make it presentable and nice and clean, and then rent it out for maybe $1,600 a month? Or do I go and throw $25,000, $30,000 into it, put stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, brand new flooring, brand new bathrooms, and then try and list it on the market and get that $240,000? I'm estimating on a house like this, because it has window units, that with the central air we'll probably have to spend anywhere from $25,000 to $28,000 on the inside, and then probably another $5,000 to $7,000 on AC. So I'm looking probably at a $35,000 spend in order to be able to sell this and get that $240,000. So definitely not an Airbnb. So it's either keep it as a rental or fix it up and sell it on the MLS. So I'll keep you guys posted, and I'll do another video at this house to show you.